4/23/2020 opening bell. Yes, it is. And it's a nice opening bell gap. We're going to talk about one thing and one thing that we do best. In bear markets, you take the volatility and you turn it into money. We're market makers, but here, look, they came out with initial claims, 4.4 million. The market gaps right to my resistance. It's coming back down. It's opening. It's done it in 20 minutes. Now, let me show you something else about the Dow. All right, my fellow option traders, this is the 60-minute chart with this gap on the Dow, and it's coming right to here. This is the big red bar right here. Now, watch what I'm going to do in the video. I'm going to hit this button. Bam! Watch the gauges moving. You're going to see the diamonds. Look at these diamonds. Look at those. They're all populating right now, and they are. And here we are at the resistance level. Here is the top. Go ahead. Here's what we're going to do now. We're going to go over here. It's a 60-minute chart. I'm going to hit some of our delta lines, which I just did. Now, we know that 1/4 value is 68.38, 68.38. 51 IR, the high, 2307, right up here on that gap on the 60-minute. Now, let's take a look at when we called the put options right here. We gapped down, we dropped over 1,100 points in 2 days. Ran up too far, too fast. I called the top. There it was, right before you and God. Oh yeah, 1,100 points down. We start with the gap yesterday. They get the recovery in the bear market. They come right back up in this bear market bottom after the big downside. You can see the upside. It's all done mathematically and it doesn't lie. And this is going to be the key. It's going to be 23,828, you guys. And it is, and this is live. And look at him sell that. Now, let me blow this up a little bit more on the 60 on the Dow. Opening bell. We're about 5 minutes away from the 30-minute opening bell. We're up now 121 on the Dow, 62 on the Nasdaq comp, NASI 100 pumping at 59. Technology and those stocks are popping and hitting resistance. And the put side of the market is the one that pays on the opening bell gap. Now, in equities, as they are, that's how they work. And that's how bear markets work. We're market makers in the option pit. The option pit is paying more money than it's ever paid in United States history. That is if you know how to use it. So, here it is. Now, with the recovery, bear market rallies, which we love because you make a lot more money, bear market recovery to resistance. And the put side of the market is the transaction to pay because it's a sell. On individual equities that have gapped on the opening bell, hit the highs, past trades, we've been popping them off right and left. Oh yeah, and it's only been open now 16 minutes. And we probably already did 50 other trades. I'll be updating them. But it's all about the gap. Stocks are gapping. They're doing the same thing just like the Dow. And here, let's see if this shows up. Just like the S&P 500, which I will do separately. Gap. Sell it down. Stocks go with it. The put side is paying. The put side is paying on bear market gaps. Let us give you the entry. Get in the live trading room. You're sitting at home. You don't have to worry about anything. You got your account. If you want to go on the managed account program, we'll manage the whole thing. Oh yeah, we have a great one for that. I can tell you, everything is done by us, by me. So, yeah, S&P 500 right here, right now. And equities and the put side of the market in the first 27 minutes is paying on the bear market gaps, how to sell bear market gaps. That's the Dow here now on the 3 minutes, so you can see that. You can see the diamonds. Those are algorithms. Those are machines driving it down. Yeah, they are. And you broke below. Look at all of these diamonds here. That's when the algos change. That's what this application is about. The math does not lie. It's 17.09 per line, which is 116, a teeny value. It's the opening bell. Put side of the market pays. When we stop and we hit support, we're going to exit and then we'll take a look at what? We'll take a look at the call side. And then we'll update all of the opening bell gaps that were sold short in 29 minutes and how they paid in the option pit when I was giving those orders out. You got to get involved now. It's costing you money not to be here. Let's get busy. Sit at home, have a lot of fun with me live, online, in a live trading room.